Okay class, so now we will go through one more numerical of related to relative velocity. So what does this numerical says? Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every t minutes. Okay, now a man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction A, direction of town A to town B, notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. Okay, understood the question? It is given that there are two towns A and B, and these towns are connected by regular bus service, and the bus leaves every t minutes. Okay, so suppose a bus is leaving town A, and a bus is leaving from town B. Fine. Now after every t minutes again the buses will leave from those respective towns. Now what we have to find, there is a cyclist who is cycling at a speed of 20 km/h, and a bus passes him in his direction of motion every 18 minutes, and in his direction of motion, in opposite direction, his direction of motion, a bus leaves every 6 minutes. Fine. So we have to find this time t, which is given here, of the bus service, and with what speed do the buses ply on the road. Fine, we have to find the speed of these buses. So by this you might understand that this is town A and this is town B. Now what happens? A cyclist is cycling from town A in direction of town A to town B with a speed of 20 km/h. Fine. Now let us suppose this is the first bus which is moving in his same direction as the cyclist is moving. Fine. And this bus is moving in the direction opposite to the cyclist. Fine. Now we will first let that the speed of cyclist is Vc km/h, but we are given with this speed in this question, which is 20 km/h. So the speed of cyclist will be 20 km/h. Fine. Now we will let the speed of each bus, as it is given that the speed is assumed constant. So the speed of both the buses will be same. So we will let that speed of each bus is Vb km/h. Now we will first consider the case 1. If the bus is going from town A to B in the direction of motion of the cyclist. So what will be the relative speed of this bus with respect to direction of motion of cyclist? It will be equal to Vb minus Vc. But we know that when we talk about two objects moving in the same direction, this is only the formula Va minus Vb. So here it is speed of bus minus speed of the cyclist. So we will get this. We will put the value of speed of the cyclist Vb minus 20 km/h. Fine. Now we know that the bus goes in this direction in which the cyclist is moving every 18 minutes. Okay. And we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So using this formula, we will find distance. What will be distance? It will be speed into time. So the speed we have found out just now, Vb minus 20 km/h. And what is the time? Time is given 18 minutes. Okay, but here the speed is in km/h. So we will convert this 18 minutes into hours. So 18 minutes is equal to 18 by 60 hours. Fine. We'll put the value and mark this equation as equation 1. Now we know that a bus leaves the town every t minute. It is given in the question that a bus leaves the town every t minute. So by this we'll get again a different relationship. Speed of bus into time t upon 60 km. Okay. Vb is the speed of the bus into time t is given upon 60. We are converting it into hours. Okay. So this is the second relation we are getting. Both of these are what? These are distance covered. So we can equate both of these. So by equation 1 and 2, we'll get VB minus 20 into 18 by 60 is equals to VB into T by 60. Let us mark this expression as A. Now we will consider the second case. In this case, the bus is going from town B to A. Okay. So what will be the relative velocity of this bus in direction opposite to motion of the cyclist? It will be equal to VB minus VC. But we are talking about direction opposite. When we talk about opposite direction of two bodies moving, what is the relative velocity? It will be VB minus VC. And we'll put the value of VC here. We'll get VB plus 20 km per hour. Again, we know that bus goes in opposite direction every 6 minutes. It is given in the question. So we'll find out the distance covered in this case. It will be equal to VB plus 20 into 16 by 60. We have converted this 6 minutes into hours. Okay. Now we'll mark this. We will equate these. We know that, as I have already told you, that the distance covered by bus will be VB into T by 60 kilometer. It is given in the question that both of the buses leave in either direction every T minutes. Okay. So again, we will equate this distance covered equal to VB into T by 60. So mark this as equation B. Now solving both of these equations, we solve both of these equations, what we will get? This 60 and 60 are in the denominators, they will cancel out, and we multiply it inside, we will get 18 VB minus 360 is equal to VBT, 6 VB plus 120 is equal to VBT. This, if we change the sign and we subtract equation B from equation 1, we will get, these two will cancel out each other, so we will get 0 here, minus and minus sign, minus negative and negative sign, they will add up each other, so we will get minus 480, and here we will get 12 VB. On solving this further, we will get VB is equals to 40 km per hour. This is what we had to find out the speed of the buses. Okay. Now one more thing, we have to find the T minutes in which the buses leaves the towns. Okay. So you can take any equation. You can take either equation A or equation B, and you can put the value of VB in that equation. I have put it in equation A. So equation A was VB minus 20 into 18 by 60 is equals to VB into T by 60. Now we'll put the value of VB here. So in place of VB, 40 will come. Solving this, we'll get T as 9 minutes. Okay. I hope you understood this question.